Hi guys, and this is going to have to be a quick one because I have no film left on my camera. I wanted to say happy, I got these now, yes. Me, walkable, my second walkable. That, and these three that came in these things in the hammock and those collars. And I need names for them, and I also want to say it's bonfire night. These guys are really scared, and I have a question. What do squirrels do on bonfire night? Because they have like, or firework night, because they have place to go to. Happy firework night! We're scared. So yeah, it's just a quick one because I have no thingy left, and that's why I'm talking really fast. If you can't hear, just tell me in the comments, and I will put it in the description. And I also have a question. You know those things you can put in videos show something, like my Sophie Garrett's one at the end of the video, she goes, don't forget to rate. Yeah, well, how'd you do that? Anyway, bye.